Well, so let's start our Joomla tutorials. Like this is the folder basic. Now this is when I'm launching my Xmap. Now we'll have to install a Joomla in our computer locally. So we'll put as localhost slash php myadmin. This will open a PHP database over here where we can create our database from the database menu. So we'll create a database, that will come back to this later. So first we'll take the Joomla setup install file, copy this folder, the location where you installed Xmap, particularly right click properties, open file location. Over here you can find a folder called htdocs. In this, the new folder that you create is the website name. So we'll create it as like tutorial1 tut tutorial, and in that we'll paste the zip file of Joomla. Now we'll extract the all files over here. Now this will start extracting all the files. Now once this extraction is done, you have this all folders over here. We need to, there's no setup file over here such that like you can install directly using a setup.exe or any kind of thing. You need to install this using your browser itself and using this php myadmin and using this xmap, so everything runs locally like a hosting. So your website name was tut folder, so localhost dash slash tut is the website name for now, temporary, and it will ask you for installation of your Joomla. You can give the site name as tut, description, your email ID you can feed in, and you can give your admin password. And then you can click next. Now this is the main area, database, where you connect everything to a PHP database and MySQL. You can select this as MySQL, or else you can leave it to default MySQLi. Host will be localhost. This username, password, database name we have to create in PHP myadmin. So we'll create a new database name as tut create. Okay, now tut has been created. Now we'll create a new user also. Add user over here, tut host, localhost, password tut tut. Okay, and databases for create example is nothing, check all. Okay, add user, done. So everything is tut tut and tut. This is table prefix, you can give your site name in short over there and underscore over. Next, it will connect to the database, it came forward. Email configuration, if you want to do any kind of email configuration while sending email and all, you can do this thing later also. Install sample data, no, we don't want to install any sample data. So now press install. It will take some time. Now that is done, and then you need to click on remove installation folder. This is done, and you have your site. So now your website name is localhost slash tut. This is what you are getting as of now. And your admin panel, from where you can edit your website, is slash administrator, administrator. Now over here, with the username and password that you gave for your admin panel, you can log in. This is your admin panel. This is what we have to learn now, where we'll have various elements through which we can design our whole website. Now this is the right side top, you see this button TUT. This is where you can launch your website. So like by chance you did any changes over here, then you want to see those changes, just click on this. So no need to type your website name again and again. This is where you can log out. Okay, and these are like different menu items with different components, modules, and etc. So now in next video we'll learn how to create pages and menu items, and how to select a theme for our website, how to design our website, etc.